So we'll continue with some more problems based on the tangents and normals. So look at the question here. This is one of the important question. You can write page number 237. So question is, find the equation of tangent to the curve. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y equals to cos x plus y. Y equals to cos x plus y, where x lies between minus 2 pi and 2 pi, and that are parallel to the line that are parallel to the line, that is what is given, x plus 2y equals to 0. Okay, this type of question already have discussed. I took this question only to show this complicated part of this derivative. Okay, let's see now. Let's find what is dy by dx. Dy by dx, dy dx from where? Curve. That is dx of, not dy by dx of the line, slope of the tangent to the curve. So from here you will find dy by dx, that is cos x plus y. So this gives you dy by dx equals to cos का डेरिवेटिव minus sin x plus y and derivative of x plus y. This implies dy by dx minus sin x plus y, its derivative is 1 plus y is dy by dx. Okay, we have to simplify it because you have got two parts of dy by dx. Implies dy by dx minus sin x plus y minus sin x plus y and dy by dx. So I'll take this one to this side. If I take, then I'll get dy by dx. Common here is 1. This will come this side, plus sin x plus y equals to minus sin x plus y. So implies dy by dx minus sin x plus y divided by 1 plus sin x plus y. So that gives you so what shall I get now? Now slope of the tangent to the curve. This is slope of the tangent to the curve. What is given line? Given line is x plus 2y equals to 0. X plus 2y equals to 0. So m is the slope minus a by b. A means 1 by b is 2. Now because they are parallel, your slopes will be equal. Here slopes are equal. So what do you get? This implies minus sine x plus y 1 plus sine x plus y equals to minus half. Now do cross multiplication, then you will get, or you can cancel minus third here. Just cancel 2 sine x plus y, this will go here, 1 plus sine x plus y. So this will come this side. What will you get? You will get 2 sine x plus y minus sine x plus y equals to 1. Now subtract sine x plus y equals to 1. Okay, there is a formula I would like to tell you. Formula is sin x equals to, so this is what, 90. You can write sin x plus y equals to sin 90 is 1. But there is a formula. Back to class 11. Sin x equals to sin alpha. X equals to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n pi by 2. This formula we have studied general solution in the general solution where? In the trigonometry functions. That means this x plus y will have a value like this. So this is our reference. Once more I am repeating, sin x equals to sin alpha, x equals to n pi plus minus 1 to the power pi by 2. What is sin x alpha? What is alpha here? Pi by 2. Or I can write alpha here. That will be easy for to understand. So n pi plus minus 1 to the power alpha. So in place of x, you have got x plus y. So this implies x plus y equals to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n alpha. What is alpha here? Pi by 2. Okay, let's keep it like this. But you would find the value of x and y. How to find? Now back to the question given. The question is given y equals to cos x plus y and minus 2 pi less than equal to x less than 2 pi. So in place of x plus y, what shall I write? Y equals to cos n pi plus minus 1 to the power n pi by 2. Okay. For n equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now if I put n equals to 0, this will be 0, this is any number power 0 is 1. Then y will be cos n pi means 0 plus minus 1, n equals to 0. Pi by 2. That means what? How much you got? Cos pi by 2, 0. Even if you put Even if you put here 1, if you put n equals to 1, even y is giving you 1 5 plus minus 1 to the power 1 5 by 2 cos of this. So that means y will be cos pi minus pi by 2. Again cos pi by 2, that is 0. That means conclusion is y is always 0. So y is always 0, but what are the values of x? Minus 2 pi 2 plus 2 pi. When y is 0, what are the values of x? So what is the x given to us? X plus y equals to x plus y equals to how much you have got? N pi minus 1 to the power n pi by 2. Okay, but y is 0. So x equals to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n pi by 2. Now if I put n equals to 0, x will be how much? When n equals to 0, x will be pi minus pi by 2. That means pi by 2 you got. Look at the point. You are getting 1.5 by 2. Okay? Because you take the values of x between this. Now put n equals to 1. N equals to 1. X equals to 1 pi plus minus 1 to the power 1 pi by 2. That means pi minus pi by 2. That is same pi by 2 you are getting. Okay. Then put n equals to 2. N equals to 2. X equals to pi 2 pi plus minus 1 to the power 2 pi by 2. That means it is 2 pi plus pi by 2. See, we will reject this. Look at this part is rejected. That is 5 pi by 2. This is not, this was rejected because this is the point here. 5 pi by 2 is here. So rejected. I cannot go that side. So 1 point I got between these two is pi by 2. What could be other point here also? So how to find? Now let's take n comes to negative. Suppose n is equal to, say n equals to minus 1. So x is n pi plus minus 1 to the power n pi by 2. So x equals to minus pi plus minus 1 to the power minus 1 pi by 2. So that is minus pi, this will be minus 1. So minus pi by 2 is minus 3 pi by 2. So you got another point here which is minus 3 pi by 2. So what did you get here? Y is always 0. Y is always 0. So points you got. One is xy, so minus 3 pi by 2 0. Because point will be xy. First x is this. Second is this one. That is pi by 2 0. If you put n is equal to minus 2, then that point will come here. So rejected. If you take 2 also, it's getting rejected. So only 2 points between this x value you are getting. So when 2 values of x, y is always 0, so already have got. Then comes what is equation of the acha, before that already I have told you slopes are equal. Slopes are equal. That means dy by dx equals to minus half, already which is given to you. So equation of tangent at minus 3 pi by 2 0. So you'll get y minus y1 dy by dx x minus x1. That gives you y minus y1 is 0 minus 1 by 2 x plus 3 pi by 2 implies y equals to minus half of x plus 3 pi by 2. You can keep, doesn't matter. Or if you want to simplify this, then you have to write in the pi form. LCM is what? This is 2x by 2. 2 to the 4. So 4y equals to minus 2x minus 3 pi. Or you can write 4y plus 2x plus 3 pi equals to 0. Okay. सेकेंड पॉइंट क्या है? सेकेंड पॉइंट 5 by 2 0. Formula is same. So I'll put y minus y1 equals to minus half x minus 5 by 2. Let's calculate this y minus 0 here. Y equals to minus 2x minus 5 by 2. So 4y equals to minus 2x plus 5. 4y plus 2x minus 5 is 0. This was one of the important question. Another question I am going to give you. Go back to page number 242. That is question number 5. Important question. Page 242. Question number 5. Okay, what is given to us? It's given to us that show that the normal at any point theta to the power, so that the normal at any point theta to the curve. What is the curve given to us? Curve is given in the parametric form. X equals to a theta plus a theta sin theta y equals to a theta minus a theta. This is, sorry, there is a mistake. A cos theta. A cos theta plus a theta sin theta, फिर a sin theta minus a theta cos theta. A theta cos theta is at a constant distance from the origin. Is at a constant distance from the origin. Okay, how to understand this? Look at here. Suppose I got, you can draw in this way. There is a normal to any chord. This is the tangent. Okay. Now this is normal. This is the normal to the chord. But this is the tangent. The normal is at a constant distance. ये जो distance है, this is constant way now from the origin. So first you should know what is the equation of normal. If you know the equation of normal, then distance from a point to the line formula you can use. Then you can find out this is constant. Constant means here A will come out. The answer will come in terms of A. That is called constant here. So you have to prove from 0, 0 to the normal, the distance is A. So for that you should know what is the equation of the normal to the curve. So for that we should have a point x1, y1 and we should know what is slope of this normal. Then only you can find the equation of the normal. Okay, let's see here. If x equals to a cos theta, I can take common, theta sin theta. Let's find what is dx by d theta. Dx by d theta equals to a, its derivative minus sin theta. Now we should go a little higher, step by step, no need to write. Directly can write cos theta derivative is minus sin theta. Here is product rule. Product means theta derivative of sin theta is cos theta plus sin theta derivative of theta is 1. This time, by this time it should be clear. Cos theta ka minus sin theta, here is product rule. First function derivative of second, then second function derivative of first. So I can cancel here. So that is a theta cos theta. Okay. What is dy by d theta? The a common d theta of d theta of what? That is sin theta minus theta cos theta. So a cos theta, first function derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta plus cos theta derivative of theta is 1. That is a times cos theta minus plus theta sin theta minus cos theta. This is cancelled. Okay. Then dy by d theta equals to a theta sin theta. So implies what is dy by dx? Dy by dx equals to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Means finally you are getting dy by dx equals to a theta sin theta, a theta cos theta. Cancel this. Don't write as 10. Keep it like this. I'll tell you why. Because we need a calculation. Okay. Now what is the point? The point is x1, y1. That is the point xy given. The point xy given is the same thing. That means it is a times cos theta plus, let's write a into a theta sin theta. Let's keep a because it will get cancelled. Then y1 means y value a sin theta minus a theta cos theta. That means this is your dy by dx, this is your x1 y1. थोड़ा lengthy but not so difficult. So let's write what is equation of normal. Equation of normal to the chord. Recall the formula. Y minus y1 minus 1 by dy by dx x minus x1. This is the formula. Okay, dy by dx will put this value. Y minus y1. Y1 means this value you are putting a sin theta minus a theta cos theta. Y1 a theta cos theta equals to minus dy by dx. Look at here. What is dy by dx? The sin theta by cos theta. This is your dy by dx. So ulta means this will go up. Cos theta by sin theta. I will write little inside. Cos theta by sin theta x minus x1. X1 is what? A cos theta plus a theta sin theta. A theta sin theta. Okay, now this will go here. I can write sin theta into, let me open the bracket, y plus a sin theta minus a theta cos theta equals to minus cos theta, open the bracket, x minus a cos theta minus a theta sin theta. So implies y sin theta plus a sin square theta. A sin square theta. फिर माइनस a theta sin theta cos theta. Okay, back to this side. Minus x cos theta plus a cos square theta I think you have to check this part. This is a sin theta minus a theta cos theta minus cos theta by sin theta. Sin will go here. Y plus a sin theta plus, here is a mistake, a minus 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 plus. This is plus. Okay. Then here is minus cos theta x minus x1 a cos theta plus a theta sin theta. So if you move open here is this one. So x cos theta plus a square cos square theta, then minus plus a theta. We are getting little mistake somewhere. I think it is x minus a theta cos theta sin theta. Okay, this gets cancelled. So what is our equation then? This will come this side, y sin theta. So let me write this one first, x cos theta, then x cos theta plus y sin theta either you have to check it, either this part or this part. So where it is minus, because already I have blocked here. So case is difficult, I think this is minus. So check this question because already I have blocked here. So minus of a cos theta theta sin theta. This is plus, okay. The previous part y minus, let me check it, y minus y1 is a sin theta a theta cos theta. Yes, this is minus, sorry, this is minus. So minus a sin square theta minus a square cos square theta equals to 0. So there is a mistake, try to rectify here. So this gives you x cos theta plus y sin theta minus a into 1 is 0. What is this 1? Now if I take since sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Minus if you take common, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Now this is a line, you remember here. Normal is a line. Now back to my question. What I want to show here, this is the line, x cos theta, this is your normal, x cos theta y sin theta minus a equals to 0, and you want to find the distance from a point to the line. So I'll write down the formula. The distance, since the distance from a point x1 y1 to the line ax plus by plus c equals to 0. This formula you have learned in class 11. So I am writing it again. The distance from a point to the line means it is in this form. This is the point x1 y1. This is your line ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is what? Is the, in place of x and y you will put this value, that will be ax1 by1 plus c by root over of a square plus b square. Look at what you are doing. x y में ये वैल्यू पुट करो, x1 y1 रूट ओवर ऑफ x का कोफिशिएंट होल स्क्वायर a square and b square means y का कोफिशिएंट. So if I back to my question, this is your ax by, this is by, this is c here. So if I write, it will confuse you. So what shall I write? So if I look at this formula, then x में क्या लिखोगे? Because x is changed by x1, x will be changed by 0. So 0 into cos theta, 0 into sin theta minus a by root over of a square plus b square. What is a? Now cos square theta plus sin square theta root over. Then a modulus. Modulus means the value should be positive. So this is the 0. So that is 0 minus a by 1 root over. Modulus of minus a is a, which is at a constant distance. This distance became constant means a, no theta is there. So proved. Okay, let's take one more question. Back to your exercise. There is one important question, question number 23. Question number 23, page is what? 213. Okay. This question is, prove that the chords which are the curves here? X is equal to y square and xy equals to k, chord at right angles, chord at right angles, if 8k square equals to 1. Okay, two chords are there. One curve is like this, other curve is like this. Suppose this is x is y square, then xy equals to k. Their chord at right angle means their tangent to the chord should be at 90 degree. Means tangent to this chord should be at 90 degree. Means slope of this tangent multiplied by slope of this tangent should be minus 1. So that is what you need to relate here. Okay, how to find slope of this tangent to this curve? So first, given curve, y square equals to x. Differentiate with respect to x. ddx of y square, ddx of x. Okay, then you will get 2y dy by dx equals to 1. So m1, or you can write dy by dx equals to 1 by 2y. First relation. From the second curve, from the second curve, so you write this is your m1, this is m1. Second curve, 8xy equals to k. The xy is k means find out the derivative. So ddx of xy, ddx of k is a constant or here. First function derivative of second plus second function derivative of first equals to 0. X dy by dx equals to minus y. So m2 which is dy by dx equals to minus y by x. Okay. Since they cut at right angle, since the curves cut at right angle implies m1 into m2 equals to minus 1. Then put karo. First one 1 by 2y into minus y by x equals to minus 1. Minus is gone, this is gone. So if I take x to that side, I will get 1 by 2 equals to x. Then again x equals to y square. So 1 by 2 equals to y square. Y equals to plus minus root over of 1 by 2. But you have to bring it in the k form. K form means xy equals to k 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2 root over equals to k squaring. Squaring both the sides. This is squaring is 1 by 4. Plus का square plus minus का square भी plus. Second 1 by 2 equals to k. So if I do a cross multiplication, 8k square equals to 1. 8k square equals to 1. So this proves. So we completed tangent normals. Tomorrow we will start approximations.